I had a client that reached out to me to make 20 UGC videos for her. And I was like, how do I start? Like, I don't know how to make UGC videos at all. As you can see our conversation right here. So fast forward, I came across an AI platform that automates the whole process of making UGC videos for me. And I was able to give my client this video. Mind you, I charged her for these 20 videos. And I was able to use AI to automate the whole process. This platform is very, very easy to navigate. It's very straightforward. So to get started, you want to come over to your browser and search for Creatify AI. You are going to see the website. Then you want to click on it. It is going to bring you right to a page that looks like this. Click on login or sign up for a new beginner, and you're going to get directed to your dashboard that looks exactly like this. Now we have the video ads, we have the image ads, and so on and so forth right here on the dashboard. If you want to make use of previous samples of creators that has produced UGC ads on this Creatify AI platform, scroll down, you're going to see a lot of sample that you can recreate. To get started, you want to come over to your agent. When you click on the agent icon right here, it is going to direct you to this page. We have two different ways that you can make use of to create ads on the Creatify AI website. For the manual method, you want to click on this plus icon right here, then manually input your product image and so on and so forth. For the automatic method, you want to click on products. You are going to see this page. You can add your Amazon link, you can add your product link, you can add your Shopify link. Then you want to click right here. Now we are going to create manually on today's video. I want to click on this plus icon right here. Then I'm going to input my model image, open, and also input my product image. Then after that, I'm just going to paste my prompt right here. Then I'm going to click on the icon for it to start generating my UGC video ads. So after a few seconds, Creatify AI has started generating my images, my ads. It is working to put everything together. So the first thing I'm able to get right here is Nova, my AI model to promote the products for me. So we have 4 to 5 different images right here with my NAD plus my client's product. It has generated the image. So if you want to go ahead with these images, just hold on and let Creatify AI do its job. But if you want to make some adjustments, you can click on add as reference. You can adjust, you can manually adjust, and you can let it do its job by automating the whole process. So we have 2 videos right here. Now I'm just going to leave this. I'm not going to touch this. I'll let Creatify AI finish its job by combining the videos together using the prompts that I provided. Okay, so let us see the last results.
Have you ever wondered why some people just seem to age slower? This is NAD+. It's basically cellular energy and anti-aging in one capsule. I take it every morning now. Have you ever wondered
okay, so I noticed a little repetitive mistake right here. I'm just going to edit that. So coming right here, what I did was fast forward what the AI creator was saying, but you can change yours to normal speed. And if you want to remove the watermark on the video, click right here. You are going to get directed to this page where you can pay $19 per month for 1 year if you are just starting out. And if you want to take this serious as a business, you can pay for the pro subscription for $49 monthly for 1 year. Okay, so if you want to download your video, you like everything, you want to download your video, click on this 3 dots icon right here, then click on download, and in less than 5 seconds your video is actually going to get downloaded to your device. So yeah, that is it guys. Come over to Creatify AI website to create your video ads, your image ads, and you can also search for what is trending, what is performing well. So that brings us right into the end of today's video guys. If you have any question once more, don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video.